Welcome back to rTech. Today we're going to review the Focuspower F10 earbuds. These are supposedly the smallest Bluetooth earphone buds according to them. Yeah, that's what Focuspower claims, and these are made in China, and we'll quickly go through the specs. So this is ultra small. First of all, supposed to be smaller than a coin. Can connect to two separate devices. Got a small 50 milliamp battery, 10-meter range, which is about 30 feet. Bluetooth 4.1, which is great. Will play music for about 6 hours. Talk time about in the same range, and can have a standby time of about 72 hours or 3 days. 3-4 days. The packaging is nice. Comes in this nice eco-looking box, no plastic. It's even got a magnetic lid. Wow, that's nice. Inside, I see a very beautiful pouch. It's a zippered pouch. Let's go ahead and see what else is there. We have a few other papers inside the box. I feel like opening the pouch first, but anyway. So here are two paper manuals. One is, of course, I think going to be a thank you card. Yeah, it's a nice little thank you card. So let's put that aside. And we also have a nice manual. It says F10 on the main page. And unlike other Chinese devices and some of these unbranded stuff, I did notice that this was really done with good care, had some good English on it. So really good job, and the diagrams are so neatly placed and it's so clear, crisp. It's not like one of those cheap Bluetooth rip-off headsets that you get. Instructions are really clear. I mean, it's so legible. So that's a good thing I'm seeing in one of these devices. Okay, and that's the manual. Let's go ahead and open the zipper pouch. Okay, it's a really nice case. First of all, it's got this nice black and orange finish. And inside you will see, wow, okay. Yeah, you can see the Bluetooth bud there, along with 3 extra additional ear canal add-ons, depending on your ear size. And it's also got a nice little pouch on the side to hold anything else you have. Let me pull this off. So let's put the pouch aside, and I'm guessing that's the USB drive looking device must be the charger. There it is. It says IL on it. And let's just go ahead and look at the charger once again. So when I zoom in closely and I'm just trying to read this, text is so small, the camera had a tough time focusing on it. It's actually mentioning that do not overcharge the device. So I'm guessing these smaller devices do not come with an auto cutoff. So just watch out. Leaving it overnight, it might just spoil the battery or might end up causing a small fire. Look at how small this earbud is. It's as big as my thumbnail, and it looks good too. Good finish, piano black, and it comes with a pre-fitted ear canal bud. So I'm going to go ahead and put the power button on. And remember, if you hold it for about 6 seconds, it gets into pairing mode, and that's when you can actually connect it to a phone or any other Bluetooth device. So this one uses the Bluetooth 4.1. Okay, let me just put on the Bluetooth on the phone. I just borrowed this phone so that I can just use it for pairing purposes. And this is a very basic phone, so I just want to see whether it connects to some of the older phones as well. So I put the Bluetooth in pairing mode, and there it is. It's the Focuspower F10. So the light continuously blinks and you can actually pair it with your phone. Now I want to just check what the quality of music is on this device, because they claim you can listen to music as well. I mean, listening to it on one ear is not a great thing, but yeah, I mean, music is music. So okay, let me try and play something on YouTube. And while that loads, let's just go ahead and see how the charging dock works. Okay, this is apparently a magnetic charging dock and it's flexible. So let me just quickly show you this. Okay, so all you need to do is just face it, in a particular direction, and it will snap on in place. There's nothing more you need to do. It's amazing. It's so powerful, this magnet. You just have to leave it and it'll click on to its place, just like your MacBook magnetic charger. And it's a very well thought of method to charge a small device like this. No wires, no docks, no plugging in anything else. As simple as that. So it almost feels like a toy. And look at the way this thing flexes. So if you have no space, if you think it's going to get crushed in between your laptop and something else, you can just fold this and it will hang on tight. It's a very, very well designed device. How are they in the ears? Well, I just tried it on, and to be honest, I didn't get a sense as if they would fall off. Usually these smaller devices tend to kind of roll off your ears and kind of fall down, and that was my main concern, because I just thought that if I tilt my ears a bit, it might feel like it's going to fall off, but that didn't feel that way. And considering the device of this size, it's a universal fit, of course, and it really sits well in the ear canal. Sorry, I took this in a very weird angle if you can't see it properly. It also looks really nice. It doesn't look like a hearing aid. That's another good thing about this. And music plays really well. Of course, this is built for conversations, so the mid-range is actually better on this headphone. And I also wanted to tell you that there's a lot of noise which creeps in because it doesn't have noise cancellation. So it's got just one mic which will pull any kind of sound that comes its way. Overall, for a price point of about $1,500 or about $23, this makes a very good Bluetooth earphone. It is best suited to work indoors. That's my suggestion. I would like you guys to try it out and leave your comments below. So that's my short review on these Focuspower earphones F10. And if you like the video, hit the dislike button. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon in case you want to see the next one as soon as it's published. Thank you so much for watching rTech, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.